Jesus himself refutes once saved, always saved. Alam nyo, sa Luke chapter 8 verses 12 to 13, mababasa natin ang parable of the sower kung saan sinabi ng Panginoon, the ones along the path are those who have heard, then the devil comes and takes away the word from their hearts that they may not believe and be saved. And the ones on the rock are those who, when they hear the word, receive it with joy, but these have no root. They believe for a while, and in time of temptation, fall away. Notice the contrast between the two groups of those who have heard the gospel. The first group didn't get to believe and be saved, but the other, they heard, they received, and they believed. Pero the Lord said, they only believe for a while. Sandali lang at sila ay naligaw na ng landas. Alam nyo, common sense lang po ito mga kapatid. Kung tama ang once saved, always saved, bakit sinabi ng Panginoon that they fell away? Sana sinabi na lang ng Panginoon, hindi talaga sila naniwala in the first place. Hindi talaga sila Kristiyano. Hindi talaga sila born again. But no, Jesus didn't say that. Hindi ito fake believer. Hindi ito never truly saved. Hindi rin ito hindi pa totoong born again. Si Jesus mismo ang nagsabi, the person genuinely believed. Pangalawa, the person genuinely started the Christian life, and somewhere along the line, the person genuinely fell away due to temptations. So wala po tayong ambiguity rito. Jesus himself refutes us in just one clear sentence. Kaya po malinaw dapat sa atin itong lahat. Belief can be lost. Grace can be rejected. Friendship with God can be thrown away. Pero as Catholics, we don't live in fear. Because the good news is, God never stops calling us back. That's why there's the sacraments, that's why there's confession, spiritual direction. All of these are meant to strengthen our will to continue persevering. The Lord never removes our freedom. He never forces love. He invites us to remain. At nandoon po yung tunay na assurance. Ang sabi po sa atin ng Panginoon mismo, he who perseveres to the end will be saved. Matthew 10:22.